Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to make an AFK mob farm in Terraria. For this we'll need ladders, statues, wires, a wire placer, a key, and buttons. Here, and statues. Here. Place everything so the ladders face the right way. Use a hammer to adjust them. Here, next place the wires. Then place the statues. I only have 2 now, but you can find more. Here, now place the buttons between these statues. Here. Press the button to close it off and mobs will start spawning. Find ladders in the dungeon. The mechanic there sells wires and buttons. Statues are in caves. Not all summon mobs. Here. More statues mean more mobs pressing buttons and spawning. That's all for now. This was Velour. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck to all. Goodbye everyone. I placed these wrong. Buttons.